Welcome to NuFi. This video explains how to migrate your Cardano wallet from AdaLite to NuFi in less than 1 minute. We'll start by explaining how to migrate a mnemonic or seed phrase wallet, and after that, how to connect a hardware wallet using a ledger or Trezor. To migrate an AdaLite mnemonic wallet, you'll need your mnemonic or seed phrase ready. I've got my 15-word phrase here. I've opened nu.fi in my browser and I've clicked Launch App in the top right. Here we want to restore a wallet using a recovery phrase. This is where you'll enter your 12, 15 or 24-word mnemonic phrase using only lowercase letters. And finally, let's choose a wallet name and a password. Unlike AdaLite, you won't use your mnemonic phrase to access your wallet on NuFi. Instead, you'll use a password, making it much quicker and easier to log in. This password is also used to approve all transactions. And that's it. You'll find your account or accounts listed here on the Accounts tab, along with any assets contained. You'll see that I have 2 NFTs, which I can view and manage from the NFT gallery here. You can also double-check your staking setup. If you've already staked your ADA on AdaLite, you'll see that all settings remain exactly the same with no further action needed. To connect your Ledger or Trezor hardware wallet, the process is slightly different but still takes less than 1 minute. Before you begin, please make sure your device's firmware and Cardano app are fully up to date and that you've connected and unlocked your device. It's also helpful to close any programs such as Ledger Live that could interfere with the connection. We'll start by creating a brand new wallet and clicking Yes, I have a hardware wallet. This box lets us know that we'll create a new wallet first and connect our hardware afterwards. Next, choose a name for your wallet and set a password. You'll use this password to log in and access your wallet. This means you don't need to connect your device to view your hardware wallet's balances, staking setup, rewards or NFTs. You can think of this as a read-only mode, making it quick and easy to check your accounts. For any transaction, such as sending or staking, you'll need to connect your Ledger or Trezor and approve the transaction on the device itself. Now it's time to write down your recovery phrase and store it somewhere safely offline. If you lose your recovery phrase, you might lose access to the mnemonic wallets that are generated automatically. However, losing your recovery phrase will not prevent you from accessing your Ledger or Trezor wallet, since you can repair your device at any time. After you've confirmed your recovery phrase and your new wallet is ready to use, it's time to pair your hardware wallet. I'm using a Ledger, so I'll select Ledger, Cardano, and then confirm that my device is set up and ready to use. Now I need to interact with my device to export my public keys. You can see that I created multiple accounts on AdaLite, and each account needs to be imported individually. I'll start with this one and go with the default account name for now, though accounts can be renamed at any time, so I'll just change it later. And we're done. Here we can see the first of my Ledger's accounts added successfully, along with my ADA and 2 NFTs, which I can view and manage in the NFT gallery here. I'll also double check that my staking setup is exactly as it was on AdaLite and that no further action is needed. If you have multiple accounts on your device, click Add Account at the top and repeat the process. Thanks for watching.